ball lie rolling on the ground. C for cat, it meow meow meow. D for dog, good bow wow wow. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish, Jen swimming all day. G for giraffe, but tall and neat. H for hat, but on your head so sweet. I for ice cream, rock and cold and yummy. J for jump, let's move our tummy. K for kite, being flying high. L for lion, up be roaring to the sky. M for moon, nice shining bright. N for nest, bad birds sleep tight. O for orange, got a juicy and round. P for playland, at fun all around. Q for queen, at pretty and kind. R for rainbow, by colors combined. S for sun, nest warm and bright. T for train, then chugging through the night. U for umbrella, when raindrops fall. V for violin, does music for all. W for wheel of round and spin. X for soul, woo, let's begin. Y for yak, that's strong and gray. Z for zebra, cut hip 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 hooray. Now we know our ABCs. Next time sing along with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hat. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kite, L for lion. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
In their cozy study room, Daddy taught Daisy the alphabet. Today, they started with A for apple. Next, a colourful ball magically rolled across the table. Daisy giggled. B for ball. Then, a cute 3D cat jumped onto the table, purring softly. Daddy said, C for cat. A toy duck magically appeared, quacking happily, and Daisy exclaimed, D for duck. A tiny 3D elephant toy walked across the table, spraying water to form an E. Daddy said, E for elephant. A colorful fish swam inside a small glass bowl. Daisy clapped her hands. F for fish. Next, a bunch of juicy grapes magically appeared in a bowl. Daddy said, G for grapes. A hat magically dropped from the shelf. Daisy giggled. H for hat. Daddy put it on her head. A delicious ice cream cone magically appeared from Daddy's notebook. Daisy exclaimed, Yummy! I for ice cream. Daddy poured some orange juice and both smiled. J for juice. A colorful kite magically flew across the study room. Daisy shouted, K for kite. A roaring toy lion popped up on the table. Daddy exclaimed, L for lion. Soft moonlight glowed on the wall. Daisy whispered, M for moon. A cozy nest appeared on the shelf with tiny baby birds. Daddy said, N for nest. An orange rolled onto the table and split into perfect slices. Daisy smiled. O for orange. A pencil magically wrote the letter P on a notebook. Daddy announced, P for pencil. A graceful toy queen doll appeared, giving a small wave. Daisy said, Q for queen. A beautiful rainbow magically appeared over the study table. Daddy said, R for rainbow. Bright sunlight shone through the window. Daisy pointed, S for sun. A cheerful toy train chugged around the table. Daddy said, T for train. An umbrella magically opened itself. Daisy exclaimed, U for umbrella. A small toy van moved across the table. Daddy said, V for van. A watch on the shelf began to tick and glow. Daisy pointed, W for watch. Daisy played a happy tune on a magical xylophone. Daddy said, X for xylophone. A toy yak magically appeared beside the books. Daisy said, Y for yak. Finally, a striped zebra toy walked by. Daddy cheered. Z for zebra. Great job, Daisy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A for apple, red and round. B for ball, live rolling on the ground. C for cat, kid, meow, meow, meow. D for dog, good, bow, wow, wow. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish, Jen, swimming all day. G for giraffe, but tall and neat. H for hat, but on your head so sweet. I for ice cream, mock and cold.